Welcome back on board of the First Relief product and support channel. You're looking for improvements for your yacht or ship? Well, you're absolutely right here at our TV channel. Hi folks, here's another video from our series about lights on board your yachts and sailing ships. The video is intended to help better understand topics such as underwater lighting, indoor lighting, DMX controllers and wiring and configurations. If you found the video helpful, please like it. Of course, your comments are also important and always welcome. You can find other videos in this channel or just check out our website at www.first-relief.com. So now let's get started. So today I want to show you how to control or test your ASTEL light, hopefully purchased from First Relief. This might be useful after the installation of your lights and in advance of configuring the lights in your DMX 512 network to ensure that all is operational at all before you start doing this. Another reason might be that you carry that out if you have the light already installed and configured and something doesn't work as expected and you just want to cross-check if all is operational. So this control and testing of the ASTEL lights can be carried out by using the cables only, so you don't need to have the DMX controller or any kind of converter. It's just power and the cables that are on the light already. So how to carry that out? We have here in this laboratory environment, we have a power supply 12 volt DC, and we have the underwater light, the Equator 640. I've just turned it in the other direction so that it doesn't irritate us in the video and that you see the light. And there is no DMX controller, it's really just the light and the power supply. The light here in this case is a 4-wire cable. It's black and red, which is the red one is the DC power plus and black is the ground, and the orange one, I hope you see that, the orange and the brown, those two cables, those two wires are for controlling the light. So now let's turn on power and look what happens. So in our case the light is already on, and now we start controlling the light with the two wires on the test one just by turning on and off. So it is on and we simply connect the orange and the brown and you see the light is off, and once we connect the two wires again you see the light is on. At that stage I can say your installation or whatever you've carried out so far is already pretty fine, so the light is operational and you haven't done anything wrong, you can proceed. But we go forward for a test 2, and for this test 2, where we want to go through the different colors of the light, we need to bring the light in the off mode, so we need to turn it off and proceed from there. So let's turn it off by connecting orange and brown, and here we go on with test number 2. To test the colors, the orange and brown wires shall be connected for 2 seconds in this off mode, and then we see individual colors in a given sequence, and by the way the sequence can be read out from the corresponding manual. So 2 seconds. So here we have the red color, turn it off. Here we have the green color, turn it off. Here is the blue one. So the lights are, the individual colors are visible, and it looks like pretty nice at this moment in time. And now we go for the last test, test number 3. We want to store a color to appear the next time we turn on the light. And by the way, this is already done once you have in this mode a color selected and you turn it off. The next time you turn the light on, it recalls what you have stored so far and appears the next time. But this is just by the wires, and for sure you would do it over a DMX controller, which is pretty much different. But so far we can say we have checked the light in general, and we can say everything's operational. It's turning off, it's turning on. Furthermore, configured and installed. As a other example, we do have here, just for curiosity, an interior light from First Relief, the ASTEL Intensa. And the interesting part on that, the ASTEL Intensa is just a 3-wire cable, and the 3-wire cable is in general working not very much different than the 4-color cable. It's just that you use the control line together with ground, and you can do that here as well. You just connect it to turn the light on, and to configure it as described in the manual, and you reconnect it to turn it off. Yeah, so that's about controlling the ASTEL underwater lights, interior lights, exterior lights, just by the wires without any DMX involvement, to cross-check installation or to cross-check your situation on board of the yacht. I hope this is helpful for you, and you can get through the work you have in front of you. Many thanks for watching, and if you like it, press the like button below, or look at our other videos which are dealing about DMX 512 on board of yacht with underwater lights, interior, exterior lights from First Relief. Many thanks, and ciao, bye bye.